in any of the meditative posture. So it can be Padmasana, Sukhasana, or the normal, you can sit normal. And we will start with the prayer. Fold your hands. Sahana vavatu, sahano bhunaktu, सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ओम शांति शांति शांति. So we will take some few breaths. Rub our hands. Gently massage on our face, on our arms, and we will gently open our eyes with a smile, and we will start our session today. So what you have to do is, first your hands, just lock your hands like that, upar lagkar, and just bend forward. Bend. Come up. Release your hands and rotate your neck one full circle from left to right and from right to left. Again, from right to left. Now spread your arms like this, and we will do some of the Sushma Vyamas. What we will do is, we have to see. 1, I'll take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And same above. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come back. Now your right hand above and place it on your left knee. Okay, left hand above and bend like this. You can feel the stretch, bend, and it should be straight. Take 5 counts very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now on both the knees. Now raise your left hand, put on your right knee, raise your right hand and bend. Take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now both the hands front and bend towards your left. So you can see the waist has fully twisted, and look at your left. Put your hands on the floor and look at your left. Take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Again at your right. Put your hands at the floor and look at your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And come back with your hands. Release your fingers like this. We will take only 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you have to turn around, straight your legs, and bend your right leg. Embrace your leg towards your chest like this. Your left leg will be straight and hold it from the downward like this. Okay. And what you have to do is, you have to bring this portion of your calves up and down, not this portion. Okay. So press it like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we will make round circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Now same exercise with your left leg. Fold your left leg and embrace with your chest. Hold it from this position. This leg will be straight, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will make the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now straighten your leg and your spine will be straight. Put your hand on your knees, and what you have to do is rotate your feet like this. Okay, so we will go 5 this side and 5 reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now forward and backward, your feet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what you have to do is shake your legs like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will start our session, and I always include some of the beautiful stretchings in my session. So I'll start with the stretchings. What you have to do is in the Parvatasana, and you have to come forward and backward like this. You can follow me what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come to your knees, hands like this, and we will do the plank. So plank, we will take the 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Take few breaths. Now again, the plank position. And what you will do is raise your left leg and place it on your right, like this. And take the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down. Take few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back to the plank position. Raise your right leg. Place it on your left. Take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. On your knees and the child pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, come to the Parvatasana. And you have to place your hands like this. And bring your left foot ahead like this. Okay? Bring it like this. So what, and this leg you have to keep it straight. और आपने इस पाँव को ऐसे नहीं करना है. You have to keep it on like this. Your left foot like this. And what you have to do is, you have to bend your elbow like this. Bend your elbow. So you will feel the stretch, the inner thigh. So like this, take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And little bit shake your bums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if possible, touch your head with the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. back to the normal position on your knees. Now we will do the same exercise with your right leg. Hands like this, Parvatasana, hands like this, and bring your right leg like this, okay? So now what you have to do is bend your elbow, as bend your elbow and keep your leg straight and shake your bum like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and touch your head on the floor. Take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back on your knees very gently. Take few breaths. Now, in the Parvatasana, what you have to do is, you have to touch your knee with your left elbow. And otherwise, we call it a mountain climbing also, but we will do it very gently. 5 counts from the left and 5 counts from the right. See how I'm doing? I'll bring my left knee and touch my elbow, or little forward I'll go. So come back, okay? So we will do it 5 times. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, and back, okay? So same exercise we will do with the right. What you have to do is right knee with your right elbow. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, and back. Okay? Now back on your knees and the child pose. Take few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, after these stretches, what we will do is, we have 3 asanas. Whenever you do the Surya Namaskar, तो आपने ये asanas 3 देखे होंगे. So with these 3 asanas, I have made this. So it will be very helpful to perform the Surya Namaskar perfectly or in a better way. So the first is the Sashtang Namaskar. This is your Sashtang Namaskar, जिसमें आपके knees और chest नीचे रहता है. And with that, you will come to the Bhujangasana. And after that, your feet will be like this. Fold it and come to the Parvatasana. So these 3 asanas, when you practice, you will do Surya Namaskar better. And secondly, your spine will get more flexible. Your nerves will get open. So let's do it. The first is the Sashtang Namaskar, Bhujangasana, and the Parvatasana. Okay. So 3 counts we will take slowly, and 3 or 4 we will take faster. So do it with me. Sashtang Namaskar, Parvatasana, and Bhujangasana. Okay, Parvatasana. So let's do it. Sashtang Namaskar, Bhujangasana, and Parvatasana. 3, 2, and 1. So this was the slower. Let us do it a little faster. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So come back. Parvatasana. Lie down. And we will take few breaths. Makarasana में आएंगे. We will rest a while. पाँव को स्प्रेड करेंगे and we will take few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and exhale. Now we will do some of the side exercises. So this is actually, these all are very good floor exercises. So you have to lie down like straight. एकदम straight आपका body रहेगा. Hand should be like this. And left leg को put your hand on the waist and raise your left leg like this. Okay? So और जो आपका right leg है वो एकदम straight रहेगा. When you come down, so this is are the 4 exercises. But ध्यान ये रखना है कि आप इस left leg को नीचे नहीं लेकर जाएंगे. Just follow what I'm doing. So when you come down, don't touch. Don't like, you can't place your leg like this. Okay? So when you go up, the leg will be straightened. When you come down, don't touch, and up and down. Okay, this is like that. So I'll take the 5 counts. So position will be like this. Your body should be erect, hands are like this, and we will raise our left leg. 1, come down. 2, come down. 3, come down. 4, come down. 5 and come down. Now raise your leg, hold it like this and stretch. Stretch, feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. अभी हम बिल्कुल नीचे नहीं रखकर आगे ले आएंगे. We will bring our leg आगे और नीचे नहीं रखेंगे. So we will do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and make round. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make a triangle. Place it above 2 inches above the earth or from the floor. And 1, come down. 2, 3, 4 and 5. You must be feeling the stretch. And again, now what you have to do is, abhi tang niche nahi aayegi. What you have to do is rest your head like this. Feel the stretch, leg above, and come, and positioning will be like this, up and down. So we will take the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So gently come above. Press your leg like this, and press it and take the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. Take few breaths. Place your leg on another foot and take few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we will repeat this exercise from other side also. So I'll turn to my other side. So your body will be straight, hands like this. So what you have to do is place your hand here and raise your right leg. एकदम सीधी. Make it straight, जितना आप कर सकते हैं, and feel the stretch. Okay? Now what you have to do is bring down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now hold it like this and press. अपनी तरफ खींचे इसे. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Press it like this. Now bring forward, hands like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Place your head like this and your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep it there and take another 5 counts. 1, 3, 4, and 5. Come to back. Fold your leg like this and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now keep your leg like this. Position is like this. मैंने अपना right foot को आगे रखा है. My left leg is straight. Place your hand like this and raise your bum like this. See, I have raised, and now I'll take the pulse. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come down. Back to the position. Now we will do with another side. Like this. Bring your left leg above. Place it like this. Hand like this. If you want to do it, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. This is much more better because आप ज़्यादा height ले लेते हैं. So keep your hand like this and take few pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are very good exercises and stretchings. And come back. Like this. So we will lie down. पीठ के बल लेटेंगे. I think I should move my camera a little. Okay. Now lie down. And शवासन में आएंगे. We will take few breaths. जो आपकी हथेलियां है वो ऊपर सीलिंग की तरफ होनी चाहिए. पूरे शरीर को आप ढीला छोड़ देंगे और दोनों पांव को ऐसे टाइट नहीं रखना है. Just lose it up. Okay? And take few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just balance your breath. Now we will practice Nokasana, okay, which is very good for your stomach to stomach के flat को पैर को कम करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा अभ्यास है. So what will you do is we will do 5 times and we will take 5 counts. How you have to do it? Just look at me. You have to raise your legs and your arms like this. See, like this. This is Nokasana, and what it does, it has many benefits. Some are this कि ये आपके fat, stomach fat को कम करता है. साथ ही आप balance बनाना सीखते हैं. See, whenever you do some asanas, to maintain the balance is very important. So we will do the Nokasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Take inhale and exhale. Take few breaths and we will do it again. Just raise your upper body and both the legs like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. So we will do it third time. Raise your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Last time, just raise your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at your legs should be erect or feet एकदम erect, hands erect. Look like this. So आप balance भी बनाते हैं and come back. Okay. Now what you have to do is some few more good floor exercises. Raise your left leg. Hold it like this. Okay. Now, अब जिसका ये straight नहीं होता, it's okay, it's completely fine because exercise जो है वो right leg की है. So what you have to do is hold your leg like this, okay? अगर ये fold हो रही है तो it's not a problem. Hold it like this, right leg straight and up and down, okay? So but stretch should be there. So let's take the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. See, my leg is so straight. जब नीचे आई तो ऐसे गिराना नहीं है leg को. It should be straight. So now we will do it with another leg. Hold your left feet like this. Straight कर सकते हैं तो well and good enough. And bring your left leg down. Don't touch the floor. And we will do 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, like this. Now raise both the legs, hands on the floor, and like this. Hold it like this, and bring it towards you. Okay, so stretch, feel the stretch. Legs should be straight. So basically, हमारा जो stretch है, it's coming over here. So bring it like this. अपनी तरफ खींचे. Like this. Keep it straight. एकदम सीधा. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Okay. Now hands on the floor. What you have to do is, suppose if you have a backache, because most of the ladies are suffering from the backache, then what the first precaution you can take is, you can put your hand under your bumps like this. Hips के नीचे रख लीजिए, इससे stress ज़्यादा नहीं आता है. So what we will do is, we will 5 counts and we will raise our leg like this and come back. Okay. So, but we can't drop our leg like this. So come above and down, up and down, up and down, 4 and 5. Down. अभी इसी position में we will make circle. So that these exercises are very helpful. So what you have to do is make a circle like this. So we will make 5 circles like this and 5 reverse. 2, 3, 4 and 5. अभी नीचे नहीं रखना लेग को, इधर से ही हम ऐसे करके 5 और बनाएंगे रिवर्स. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back or take few breaths. Take few breaths. Now, what you have to do is bring your legs at the 90 degree. ये आपका हलासन, अर्ध हलासन भी कहलाता है. So bring your legs at 90 degree, arms at the back, and you have to raise, you have to touch the tip of your feet. But the thing is that if you can't touch, don't pressurize. So जितना आप कर सकते हैं करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Press your and press it like this, and we will roll. Okay, like this. Little comfort, give comfort to your spine. Take a roll. Do the rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back, down. Now, some of these exercises are very important for your backache. Believe me, these are very, very important and helpful. What you have to do is hold your leg like this, right leg, and raise your left leg. Okay, like this. And you have to make small circles. ऐसे ऐसे नहीं बनाना है. You have to keep your leg straight and small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now place your leg on the right knee, hands at the back, and touch your head with your left knee. Okay, so these exercises are important for your spine plus to remove the fat of your tummy. So raise yourself. 1, 2. I'm touching my right elbow with my left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Take few breaths. Bring it down. Now you have to do is left leg. You have to bend your left leg. Right leg ekdam seedhi, and you have to make small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now bring this leg on your left knee. Place it like this. Hand in this position. You have to touch your head with your right knee like this. 1, not head, your left elbow with the right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so come back. Take few breaths. Now, what you have to do is raise your upper body to your, like, straighten your leg. अगर आप fold करके भी करें, it's very good enough. आप कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, straighten your leg like this, and you have to raise up and touch your feet. See how I'm doing? Raise yourself like this and touch your feet and come back. Okay. So these exercises are good for your spine, like, but don't give a jerk. Jerk देके नहीं उठना है. So कैसे करेंगे? Take a 5 pounds, raise your body and touch your feet and come back. Raise your body, touch your feet and come back. Same. 3. Go down. 4. Go down. 5. Go down. 6. Go down. Okay. Now, इसी का second चीज आप क्या कर सकते हैं for your, it's very helpful. What you have to do is, if you want to fold your leg like this, you can do it. Otherwise, straighten your leg. When you raise your body, you have to stay there. Take few breaths there, and then you have to touch your feet and come back. See how I'm doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come back. Okay, so this is how you will do. We will do it 3 times. Raise your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch. इसका use क्या है? When you are doing this, just straighten and then bend. Touch your feet and bend. Okay, and come back. So these exercises are good. So raise yourself. This is the 3rd time we're doing. Raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your feet. Take 5 counts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back. Raise yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back. Last time. Inhale. Come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back. Take few breaths. Okay. Now what you have to do is come straighten, सीधा बैठेंगे, or this is called the Dandasana. Like your spine is straight like a dand, so this is Dandasana. We will do the Bhunaman. So why Bhunaman is very good exercise, 5 this side and 5 that side, because you are twisting your waist, and it's give a flexibility to your waist. What you have to do is touch your floor and touch your head on the floor. Come back and with the another side, okay? And come back. So you will see yourself how much twist it is giving to your waist. So when you do it with me, 1, come back, 2, come back, 3, come back, 4, come back, 5, come back, 6, come back. No hurry, koi jerk nahi dena. We will do it little slowly and gently. 7, come back, 8, back, 9, back, 10, and back. Okay. Take few breaths and we will lie down again. Now, we will do the Setu Bandhasana. You have to fold your leg like this. Bring your body थोड़ा सा, because you have to hold the knee. आपने अपनी एड़ी को पकड़ना है, तो आप what you have to do is to raise your bumps above. So we will do it. और आपकी जो ये chin है वो यहाँ touch हो जानी चाहिए. So we will raise one. Now what you have to do is, this is your regular asana. Bring your left leg in the middle, okay? And you'll see how I'm doing my, and bring the right leg above. See, and your hands are like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come down. And we will stay in the same position. Touch your AD, and we will take the 5 counts, raise it above, take few breaths very gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring your in the middle and raise your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down like this. Again, raise your, और हम उसको fold करेंगे. Take 5 more counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down. अभी release नहीं करना है. अभी छोड़ना नहीं है आपने एड़ी को, पकड़े रखें. And we will do the pulse. Now, what is the pulse? जब भी आप जैसे भी कोई एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, तो उसके बाद अभी जब हमने किया तो we have to just relax अपनी nerves को. तो what we have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so do it again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Take few breaths. Balance your breath. Straighten your legs like this. Fold your leg. This is Pavan Muktasan. You can embrace your leg like this and raise your head and touch your knee like this. And the left leg will be straightened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come back with your left leg. Raise and embrace it like this. And raise your head, forehead, and touch your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. These asanas are very good for the digestion. Now with the both legs, straighten your legs like this, fold it like this, and embrace it. Okay? And raise your head and touch your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Take few breaths. Now raise yourself, turn at your right, और बिना झटके दिए we will sit and spread our legs like this. Okay, and what we will do is touch your feet like this, जितना आप पकड़ सके, and bring your head towards the floor. अगर आप touch कर ले तो well and good. देखेंगे कि अगर आप सर झुकाते तो you will feel the stretch here. So it opens your body. So touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. We will do the alternative touching. Hands like this. Touch your feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little faster, girls. 1, 2, 3, 9 and 10. Hands on the knee. Now right leg, right hand above. Hold your right, देखिए इसको पकड़िए like this. Feel the stretch. Raise your left leg and bend it like this. So दोनों हाथों से पकड़ेंगे. Take the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the best part is that जब आप रेगुलर ये एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं तो क्या होता है, पहले आप यहाँ पकड़ेंगे फिर यहाँ पकड़ेंगे, बट जब स्लोली आप जनरली डेली आप ये एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो देखेंगे कि आपका हाथ, आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है और आप अच्छे से कर पाते हैं आसनास को. कम बैक. नाउ लेफ्ट हैंड अबव. Touch your feet like this. Raise your right hand above and fold it like this. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Okay. Now put your hands at the back. Hold it like this, and we will touch with our elbow the floor. Okay. We will take the 10 counts. 1. When you bend, you feel the stretch. और ये जो हमारा fat होता है ना, it doesn't go, it always go with the stretchings. So we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Erect, spine erect, सीधा, और फिर से we will do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your feet together, legs together, hand raised, and touch your feet. Okay? कोशिश करें कि अपना माथा आप नीज से लगा लें. So take the 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will do the Bhadrasana, butterfly pose. अभी आप लोग ऐसे fold करेंगे. Suppose आपका, तो bring your back to forward like this. So touch your, तो अगर आप थोड़ा पीछे से आगे आएंगे ना ऐसे हाथ रख के, तो इजीली आप टच कर पाएंगे. हाथों को ऐसे भी पकड़ सकते हैं. It will be get more easier. And flap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, just do it again. Okay, now put your hands like this. Gently पीछे आएंगे. Fold करें, झटके से नहीं उठना है. Raise your leg. Come to the cat position. And I always do after all cat and cow. So what you have to do is 1 above, ऊपर लाएंगे spine को. Come down, Majriyasana. सर को ऊपर करेंगे. And very gently you should do it. So we will take the 5 counts. And it is such a good asana for your back ache. तो जितनी भी अभी आपने स्ट्रेचिंग्स की हैं उससे आपको थोड़ा, it will get relief. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So we will come to the Parvatasana, little walking like this, going back, walking, bend your knees above and stand. Stand. So we will do some of the standing, some of you. So we will do the chair pose. What you have to do is, सीधा हाथ रखेंगे उत्कटासना, and you have to imagine that you are sitting on the chair. You won't drop like this. This is a bad. So you have to imagine that you are, so you will turn and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. And now We will come to the edge of our mat, straight, and we will practice Hriday Gati Asana. So what you have to do is straight, stand straight, hand straight. तो जब भी मैं लेफ्ट अपना आर्म पीछे लाऊंगी तो आपका नी उसी वही नी बेंड होगा. So do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So raise your arms like this, and we will do thoda faster. कैसे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Spread your legs. We will do the breathing. So come down. Inhale and exhale. Again. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now, straight and bend, hands down, bend and very gently we will sit. Okay? So we will do Ardha Padmasana ya Sukhasana, jisme bhi aap baithe. Straighten, and we will practice some of the pranayamas which are very important. So what we will do is the Alom Vilom. That is the alternative breathing. We all know that. So first of all, the Nashika Mudra. So we will do is take a breath from the right, release from the left. Again, take from the left and release from the right. So let us take the 10 counts. Come back. Chin Mudra में हाथों को रखेंगे. And now we will do the Surya Bhedan pranayama, जिसमें आपने क्या करना है, राइट से लेना है सांस और लेफ्ट से छोड़ना है. तो लेफ्ट से लेके दोबारा नहीं छोड़ना आपने. दिस इज नॉट द ऑल्टरनेटिव ब्रीदिंग. राइट से लेके लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे, अगेन राइट से लेके लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे. ठीक है? सी, टेक इट फ्रॉम द राइट एंड संपूर्ण, यानी यू हैव टू इनहेल डीपली. Left se choda, and again we will take it from the right. Hands back in the Chin Mudra. And we will take 10 strokes of Kapalbhati. And inhalation is passive, little not so active, but the exhalation is active. So, now we will do the Bhastrika Pranayam. हाथों को आप ऊपर लाके नीचे की तरफ लेकर आएंगे, like this. Okay, so up and like this. So we will take the 10 counts. जब आप नीचे लाएंगे तो exhale है. And when you do this pranayama, you have to make the fist. Okay. So come down in the chin mudra again, relax yourself and take few breaths and balance your breath. Just calm yourself. Now we will do the Bhramari Pranayam. So you have to put your thumb into your ears. You have to little press. Don't press so pressurize your ears. Little pressure. Spread your fingers on your face. Nose पे रखना, nose को बंद नहीं करेंगे. Or we will take a deep breathing and we will create a vibration and वो हमें feel करना है. So we will take a first deep breath. One time more. Take a deep breath. Now come back in the Chin Mudra. So now what you have to do is at the end, when your muscles are so tightened, आपने exercise की है, then the last what you have to do is आप अपने keep your thumb at your jaw like this, and with your first finger, index finger, आपने क्या करना है, just press these points above your eyebrow. So when you press it like this, it helps to prevent the wrinkles on your face. It's very good. Just press it like this. Press, bring it like this. Press, press, like this. And now look your upward. आप अपनी गर्दन ऐसे करके ऊपर देखेंगे, and you have to jaw को आप खींचेंगे और फिर बंद करेंगे. Tighten like this. Like this. तो आप देखेंगे ये जो आपका गर्दन के जो wrinkles जल्दी आते हैं, it prevents after the session when you do that exercises. तो एक तो ये आपके muscles को relief देता है, and moreover it prevents you from the wrinkles. Now just आप अपने एक बार, because you have completed the session, little you have to roll hands above and shake it like this. Shake it like this. Okay. Now release your legs like this and shake it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake it. जितना भी stress आपके legs पे आया है, just shake it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch it like this. Fold it and stretch. Go down. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down. And now in any of the meditative posture, we will conclude the session by the prayer. Just fold your hands like this. So, Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Kurmarukmev Bandhanam Muktoshma Savedhanam Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhag Bhaveyo. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands gently and rub it on your face gently, on your arms, on your legs like this. Okay, now open your eyes with a smile. So thanks for joining me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
It was a great session.
Okay, Ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Reva. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.